I was playing with this. Nagwa-wonder ako kasi. Ito yung reversible bamboo chopping board ng Kitchen Pro. And it comes in 3 sizes. Small, medium, large. Alam nyo, napaka-gandang staple nito. Unang-una, reversible, non-slip chopping board siya kasi meron siyang non-slip na surfaces. Pero ako, para sigurado, nilalagyan ko pa rin ng wet na what do you call this? Wet na paper towel. Okay? But this comes in small, medium, large. Chopping boards are a staple in just about any kitchen. Which is why it's super important to invest in a good quality chopping board. Itong Kitchen Pro, reversible to. Pag medyo, let's say, nagamitan mo ng isda, o kaya nagamitan mo ng raw chicken or pork, baliktarin mo lang. Okay? At magagamit mo yung next side. This board is made out of bamboo. It absorbs less liquid. Okay? So, less odor siya. At saka, ang maganda nito, dahil merong plant resins to, nakakakontra to sa bacteria. Kaya, mas preferred ng maraming chefs ang mga wooden chopping boards. And, of course, this will do your job. This is very efficient. Can you imagine ito? 2 years na to sa akin. More than 2 years actually. Simula nung nag-umpisa tayo ng Kumu. And, still looking great. Hindi siya laspag. So, if you wanna invest in a good chopping board, and depende sa size ng inyong kitchen sa bahay, then, try this out. Hindi kayo magsisisi. So, another thing is, nagtayo kami ng outlet shop dito sa Cafe Isabel. Come and visit us. Meron tayong Kitchen Pro items at very, very reasonable prices. Also, you can shop online with kitchenpro.collections. Kitchenpro.collections. No? kitchenpro.com.ph. What's this? Meron tayong bar shop, no? Or you can always go to Kitchen Pro Last Mall, or you can go to Kitchen Pro Shopee Mall. So, ang dali talagang bumili ng Kitchen Pro.